Let no man judge you, for in truth, no man can ever truly know you as you know yourself. We live in a world governed by perception, and perception is shaped by belief. The judgments that others make of you are merely reflections of their own inner world, not the reality of who you truly are. We often find ourselves bound by the opinions and judgments of others, living according to the expectations of the world around us. But this, as Neville Goddard often taught, is a misconception. It is not the world that creates your reality, but your inner consciousness, your belief in what is possible, and your acceptance of your own power to create. The power of imagination is the key to understanding that no man has the right to judge you. Imagination, in Neville's teachings, is not just a tool for escape or daydreaming. It is the creative force that shapes the world around you. Your imagination is your connection to the infinite, the source of all creation. When you live from the perspective that you are the creator of your own reality, the judgments of others fade away. You understand that no external force can impose limitations on you unless you allow it to. When you choose to live from the understanding that you are the creator of your experience, the opinions of others lose their power. We are all deeply connected to the consciousness of the universe, and when you elevate your mind, when you refuse to accept anything less than the best for yourself, others' judgments become irrelevant. They are based on their own beliefs and limitations, not your truth. Neville Goddard often emphasized that to manifest the life you desire, you must first accept your inherent power to create. You must feel and believe in your imagination's ability to bring forth the desires of your heart. If you live by the judgments and opinions of others, you relinquish your power to create. You allow external forces to dictate your actions and beliefs, rather than trusting in the creative power that lies within you. Consider for a moment that every time someone judges you, they are merely responding to the energy you project. If you are confident in your ability to manifest your desires, if you are rooted in the belief that you are the creator of your reality, the judgments of others will have no effect on you. You will recognize them for what they are, nothing more than reflections of someone else's mind, not a truth about you. The judgments of others are an expression of their own state of consciousness, a reflection of the beliefs they hold about themselves and the world. When you understand this, you can let go of the need for approval or validation from the outside world. It is only when you fail to recognize your own worth and power that you become susceptible to the judgments of others. But as Neville taught, your power lies not in seeking validation from the external, but in affirming your own truth and aligning with your inner vision. So, what do you do when you feel judged? First, remind yourself that you are enough just as you are. You don't need anyone else's approval to feel worthy. Second, take a step back and evaluate if the judgment is even valid. Is it constructive feedback, or is it just negativity? And if it's just negativity, let it go. Don't let it take up space in your mind. A big part of not letting others judge you is learning to trust yourself. Trust that you're making the right choices for you. Trust that, even when things don't go perfectly, you have the ability to figure it out. Self-trust is powerful. It builds your confidence and helps you stay grounded when external opinions try to shake you. Also, surround yourself with people who uplift you. The people who truly see your worth will always be there, offering encouragement, advice, and love. Those are the voices you need to listen to. Not the people who tear you down, but the people who lift you up. Let's talk about social media for a moment. We all know that in today's world, it's easy to get caught up in comparing ourselves to others. We scroll through pictures, see perfect lives, perfect bodies, and perfect smiles, and we can start to feel like we're not enough. But remember, social media is not real life. It's a highlight reel. People post their best moments, but no one shows the behind-the-scenes struggles. So, when you start feeling judged by what you see online, take a step back and remind yourself that everyone has their own battles. Don't fall into the trap of comparing yourself to others, because your journey is uniquely yours. And lastly, give yourself grace. We all have bad days, and we all make mistakes. It's okay. Judgment doesn't define who you are. Your character, your actions, and how you treat others is what defines you. Don't let anyone steal your joy or your confidence. You are enough. You don't need anyone's approval to be yourself. The judgments of others don't define your worth, and their opinions don't have to control your life. Live authentically, trust yourself, and surround yourself with people who truly care about you.